Hey all you cool cats and kittens! Today I wanted to show you how to use another awesome resource that we have in Pinellas County Schools that a lot of people don't even know about. It's called MackinVIA. So if you are logged into your Clever account, you can find it here called MackinVIA. It's black with like a little rainbow pinwheel. So just go ahead and click on that to open the website. You and your students should be able to sign in automatically if you're logged into Clever. And here we have access to just under 2,000 ebooks that are available for our students to check out, or you if you'd like to read them as well. So you can see there's lots of stuff on here. They've got nonfiction, fiction, some career resources, some biographies, a little bit of everything for everyone. So for my students, we are middle schoolers, so I'm gonna go to ebooks, and there's a lot of things to kind of wade through, but you can search by interest level, reading level, Lexile level, language, genre, all different kinds of things depending on what you're interested in. So I'm going to go to interest level, and I'm going to move this up to 6th grade since I have middle schoolers. Hit apply. You can see that narrows it down to a little bit by about half. There's lots of options. So if I want to do something a little more fun, some pleasure reading, I'm going to click on fiction. And you can see on here there's some classics, there's some newer stuff. A lot of our SSYRA books, which are the Sunshine State Young Reader Award books, also what we use for Battle of the Books, are on here. There's definitely a lot of options. You can see on here some of these, like Around the World in 80 Days, for example, is a classic and probably old enough to be public domain. You can see here, you can just open it now and read it right in your browser. And then on some of the other books, you can see here available 12 out of 12. So that means that we have 12 digital copies of this book. A lot of people think that if it's an ebook, it's unlimited and anyone can read it at the same time, but that's not the case. We still have to pay for them and have licensing agreements to have a certain number of copies of these books so the right people get paid. But if you are looking for a book, you maybe want to do small group reading, or you want to do a class set, you can see, for example, like Boy in Striped Pajamas has 15 copies available. So if you wanted to open a book, you click on Open Now, and you can read it right in your browser if it's available. You can see here the book opens right away. They can have it read aloud to them, but it's not like an audio book. It's kind of robotic sounding, but that still might be helpful if you have kids who are struggling readers or ELL students. They can also change the font and the background color, kind of like they can do on the FSA testing, which is nice if they prefer to read with a different color. They can look at the book info, see the page number, you can search the book, you can make notes or highlight things and save them in your account. If we want to close the book and go back, if you want to check this out so you have it available for later, it automatically goes into your account, or then you can return it when you're done. If they want to read this book at a later time or on a different device when they check it out, they can download the MackinVIA app to their phone, to their tablet, whatever device they have, and they log in through their Clever on there as well, and then they can download the book to their device. But if they're on a computer, they can read it only right in the browser. So it's definitely a good option if you have kids sharing a device or want something to read. There's also some databases on here which are helpful for research. We have access to World Book and Gale through our Clever accounts as well, which are really helpful. I'll do another video in the future. Audiobooks, there's a couple available on here as well. So there's a little bit of everything. Super helpful. And if you have any questions reach out to me or the media specialist at your school. But that should get you started on MackinVIA. Have a good one.